In this video, we'll show how to write a simple formula to create a derived column. We'll be using the if function to categorize SLA wait times into 3 different buckets: good, fair, or missed. Click on Edit to get started. Our first task is to create a new column named SLA bucket. Then we'll go to the formula bar here and start by adding an if statement. Within the if statement, we'll reference our wait times data and then create our first condition, which is less than 15 minutes, or 15 times 60 to express it as seconds. If the wait times are less than 15 minutes, we'll label this as good. We'll then continue to add a further if statement to capture the next condition, but this time we'll add another function, between. Here, again, we reference our data and provide the bookends that define our range, 15 minutes to 60 minutes, and again, we'll express these as seconds. If the between condition is matched, then we'll label this as fair. And then finally, to complete the if statement, if none of the previous conditions are met, we'll add a label to the results called missed. When you're done writing the formula, press Enter to see the calculated values appear. Now, if you get an error in your logic, you can select any element and test it using this lightning bolt. It's a very useful way to debug your work step by step. So now that you have the column that evaluates the wait times and buckets results into 3 values, you can use this dimension inside of your metric.